My name is Dr. Mahmoud Al-Halabi. I'm the founder of SkillTex. In this video, we will discuss types of solutions managers usually use to solve problems. But let me first give you an example for better understanding. In medicine, if someone has pain in his arm, the doctor cannot treat this pain by painkiller, because in this case, he would treat the effect of something deeper which caused this pain. Painkiller might reduce or stop the pain for some time, but it will return eventually. In this case, the doctor needs to make more diagnosis and scan the arm because it might be broken. Then treating a broken arm is very different than giving the patient a painkiller. The same thing applies on management. When we have a problem, we only see the symptoms of it. In another term, the superficial layer. We conclude the existence of the problem by observing the symptoms. Applying symptomatic solutions to solve the problem will probably make it return over and over again, and we will have a snowball effect which might lead to a disaster. Digging deeper into the problem will let us reach the fundamental layer and give us better understanding of it, to find the root cause so we can apply fundamental solutions.